Godwin is also a project manager of Viatic Private Limited. On a Thursday afternoon, after returning from client meeting, he opens up his laptop and checks his emails. He saw an email from Richard asking him for a favor in creating a project for TipTop Private Limited as he is on leave. After having gone through all other unread mails, Godwin then proceeds to create the TipTop project on behalf of Richard in the web application. From the dashboard page, Godwin simulates the TipTop project by inputting the start date as 16 October and duration as 3 months to find out the staffs available for the new project. From the dashboard, he is able to see that Annan, Yining, Yixi, and Li Tan are available for the new project. He then navigates to staff list by clicking on one of the staff's names in the dashboard to check out the coding language skills of each of those available staffs. After identifying the staffs with the suitable skills for the project, Godwin then navigates to the project list page and starts creating the TipTop project. Having input the project code, start date, end date, and the project manager in charge of the project, Godwin then creates project tasks by adding new cards. When creating a new card, Godwin fills in the details for title, description, and start date. Godwin also assigns the staffs for the task by typing the names in the staff's field. Upon creating the first card, Godwin realizes that he has made a mistake in the start date of the task. He then clicks on the taskbar and edits the start date before saving it. He now sees that the taskbar has been correctly shifted down to the correct start date. He then continues to create the subsequent tasks. After successfully inserting all the tasks in the project, Godwin then emails Richard to inform him on the successful creation of TipTop project.